Hello and welcome to today's episode of Tuesday Seeds. Today we're going to give you another dose of Mama Ross as she shares a bit about how she really enjoys the skin that she lives in and how important it is to embrace your heritage. So please stay tuned.
Yeah, that's what I was, when we were, I was telling our white friend that a white female farmer that was talking about, remember, I don't know if you remember that.
Yeah, I remember
we were sharing with her about black people farming and selling their produce, that they sell and how hard it is to get black people to farm. And she was saying, well, I think it's because my theory and being a white woman and not recognizing her own privilege in society that she's born into, that we weren't, that she was, so I think black people don't like to farm because they had to. And now that they don't have to do it, they don't want to do it. And she said that. And so I knew that she was trying to understand us because she wasn't accustomed to talking on a personal level with black people. That's my understanding. But I liked her as a person, but she was trying to figure us out. And I said, nah, that ain't true. I said, we don't have no problem farming. It's just the stuff that goes with it that we've had to, with the discrimination and the struggles we had. But black folks love eating their own stuff. I remember coming up and always having, even in the housing project, my grandma had a little patch. She came and lived with me and my family when my children were all born, and she had a little spot out in our little backyard. She put stuff into. Black people love having food that they grew themselves and seasoned it and cooked it and felt good about it. I said, no matter how you might look at us and try to figure us out, I said, but if I could start all over again and had a choice, which is not possible, of coming back to this earth, I would still want to come back. I would want to come back as a black person and a female. I love being a black female. I don't care what we done gone through or what the perception is or what people come up with trying to figure out what we're all about. I love it. That I feel like God gave me the best there is by making me a woman and making me black. I love it.